Okay guys, today I leave my village and I must back to my Islamic boarding school, and I go to Palu from my village, use it my motorcycle. And before I entered the Islamic boarding school, I took rest at my brother's house. This is my brother's house. Actually, I took rest at my brother's house because I feel a little tired. And I arrived in Palu at 1:37 in the afternoon. And inshallah tonight after Isha prayer I returned to my Islamic boarding school in Tanderante Street. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Salam.